Good morning, children. Sairam. That's good. How are you all? I'm fine, thank you. You're feeling fresh? Seeing the climate outside? Yes? Yes or no? I'm not hearing. Say, tell me loudly. Yes, teacher. Wow, that's great. I can hear a very loud noise. Yes. Ready? Do like this. Fresh up. Warm. Rub. Apply on your face. Rub. Apply on your face. Feeling fresh? Yes? Okay. Shall we go to do masti and learn? Yes or no? Huh? That's the spirit. Say yes, teacher. Yes. Even I want to do masti. But we will learn. Yes? We'll do masti and we will learn. Yes? Wow, good. What are all these, children? Can anyone say me? What are all these? What is this? Yes, I know my children are very smart. Yes? Okay. See, no rhyme today. Only we are going to tell the alphabet. Yes? You want rhyme? Okay. I'm okay with my children. Okay. Chalo. We will sing. Yes, but in a loud voice. What voice? Loud voice. How I'm going to sing? The same way. You can hear my voice now? Yes? So I should also hear your voice. Done? Start. 1, 2, 3. Start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Y and Z. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you ABC. Lies? Like it? Clap. I'm clapping for you, na? Clap nicely. Clap for yourself. Clap very nicely. Very nicely. See, you can hear my clappings? Yes. Clap. That's spirit. Wow. Now you see, you're feeling so fresh now. Yes? Straight. Sit. Sit quietly now. Back straight. No masti. Now, for some time. Okay? Yes, we are going to do masti now. But learning. Yes? Ready? Good. So, children, only one alphabet is big in size and different in color. Have you noted this? Huh? Wow, my smart children. See, which letter? C. What letter is this? C. Like a half circle. Yes? Yeah, half circle. What letter is that? C. Which is, what color is that? Green color. What color? Green color. And it is big in size. What letter is that? C. Shall we grab C now? Ready? Shall we grab? Yes. I grabbed the capital C. See, when I grabbed the capital C. What is that? Small C. Repeat with me. Small C. Small C. See, you're dancing. Now you are doing masti, na? This is what I told. We are going to learn and do masti also. Ready? That's great. So, what letter, children? Small C. How we are going to say? See, small C. See, you're going to go and come like this. Small C. Small C. Done? Perfect. What is that? What is that? We took it out. It is small C. What is it? Small C. How it is? small c. Yes? Do like this, small c. What is it? Small c. See, you started dancing now? That's what I told you. You're going to do masti and learn. What is it? Small c. What is it? Small c. Yes? Do like this. Small c. It is coming half circle. Yes? Yes or no? Ah, that's good. Small c. Yes? That's perfect, my dear children. Arre, wow, what is it? It's a caterpillar. What is it? Repeat with me. Caterpillar. Repeat with me. Caterpillar. What is it? Caterpillar. Now tell me first slowly. When we are learning, we will say softly, slowly. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Correct? Now we learned. So say C for caterpillar. C for caterpillar. What is it? C for caterpillar. What is the first thing? C for caterpillar. Wow, it's looking nice. Yes? Anyone is having caterpillar soft toy with you? That's good. See, so next time when you play with that, you will say C for caterpillar. C for caterpillar. Got it? That's sweet of you children. Ah, wow. What is it? C for crown. What is it? C for crown. C for crown. Who will be having the crown? King, queen, prince, princess. Yes? Good. Anyone is having crown with you? Show me. Huh? Wow, that's sweet. So C for crown. It will be in the head. C for crown. See, looking very nicely. You can do a crown. See, place your hand like this. C for crown. Both your hands like this. C for crown. Now you got a crown. Yes? C for crown. Perfect, children. What is it? C for candle. C for candle. Have you seen a candle? Yes? Ah, that's sweet. Where you have seen? Oh, that's great. And so sweet. But see here, we are having 4 candles. Yes, we are having how many candles? 4 candles. Yes. So C for candle. Next time when you see the candle, you're going to say C for candle. Yes? That's good. Wow, what is this? Camera. What is this? Camera. C for camera. What is this? C for. And what is the next? Carrot. C for carrot. What is it? C for carrot. Children, tell me one thing. Which animal loves to eat carrot? Rabbit. What is it? Rabbit. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. What is the color of carrot? Orange color. So what is it? C for carrot. Repeat with me. C for carrot. Good. What is this? I know you all like this. C for car. C for car. Repeat with me. C for car. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Even I love it. Shall we all go? Yes? That's the spirit. What is the color of your car? You tell me what is your car's color. Okay? C for, so next time when you get into the car, you are going to say C for car. Yes? Will you tell me this? Yes, children. What is the color of your car? You are going to tell this to me. Got it? When you are entering into the car, what are you going to say? C for car. Got it? That's good. What are you going to send to me? What is your car's color? Got it? Will you tell? Yes, good. Wow, lovely. What is this? Yes, C for cake. What's it? C for cake. When we will do the cake cutting? During our birthdays and Papa, Mama, wedding day, Dada, Dadi, Chacha, Bhaiya, Didi, सबका birthday, New Year, and that's it. Wow. See, maximum we will do for this. Yes, definitely we will do this celebration. During any celebration, it is definitely what we will have? Cake. So what are you going to say? When next time when you see the cake, you are going to say C for cake. Nod your head. C for cake. Yes? You all loved it? I love to eat cakes. But now don't go out for cakes. Okay? After everything comes to normal, then we can have the cake. Okay? Don't venture out now for the cake. If mommy is giving you from home, she's doing baking the cake at home, then you can eat it. Got it, children? That's good, my dear children. What is this? It's C for computer. C for computer. How many of you are seeing this in your computer? Wow, good. C for, so next time when you switch on the monitor or switch on the device, you will say C for computer. Got it? Tell me, repeat with me. I should hear your voice. I said earlier. C for computer. What is it? C for computer. Good. Yes. What is this? C for cup. C for cup. Show me a cup. Which in the morning or in the evening you will be drinking your milk, Bonvita, any healthy drink, milk, badam, whatever might be. Okay? You're going to do this. Cup. Take a pic of your cup and keep like this, and you should say C for cup. How? C for cup. Showing this like this. C for cup. Okay? I'll be waiting for your thing. So, now you're going to do two things. Correct? What are all they? First is that car. What is the color of your car? Second thing, C for cup. Hold your cup like this and show to me, teacher, C for cup. Yes? Yes, show thumbs up like this. Ah, that's good. What is this? C for cap. C for cap. How many of you are having cap? Yes. Wow, that's great. Oh, you have blue color cap. That's smart. Very good. So, when you see the cap next time, you will say this also. Correct? C for cap. C for cap. Yes? Yes or no? Ah, yes, teacher. Like that. Correct. That's good. Yes, here comes our healthy vegetable. See? In all the letters, we will be having one fruit or one vegetable, which is very good for our health. So, we should eat vegetable and fruits. Okay? No one should say no. You have to eat vegetables and fruits. Okay, children? Yes. C for capsicum. So, which vegetable? C for capsicum. I'm not hearing. Tell me loud, a bit louder. C for capsicum. Yes, C for capsicum. Yes, next time when you see capsicum, you will tell Mama, this is C for capsicum. Yes? Ah, that's sweet, my children. Are you all like this? What is this? It's a cartoonic picture. What is this? It is a cartoon picture. See how it is? It is not natural, na? This is called what we draw and then picturization. That is called cartoonic pictures. Got it? Yes? Okay. And next, you're going to do a big favor for me. Yes? Got it? Will you do? Arre wah, super. So, you're going to tell me what is your favorite cartoon character. Okay? Just think any you're seeing watching TV for the long time. Now you have reduced it for lesser time. Correct? And I know my children are very much listening to our teacher's words. Yes, my children? That's sweet. So, you'll be knowing the cartoonic characters. Get your mama or papa's help and ask them cartoon characters. You're going to tell me 3 cartoon characters. Okay? Yes? Okay. So, now all of you sit straight. Yes? Back straight. Fold your hands. Back straight. Yes, everyone listen to me. Ready? That's good. See, what are the 3 things you're going to do now? First thing, color of your car. You have to tell my car's color is. Okay? And second thing, what? What you are going to tell? What is the second activity I told you to do this? Cup. So hold your cup like this and you should say C for cup. Show me a cup like this and you should say C for cup. Got it? Yes. And the third activity is, so 3 cartoon characters you're going to tell me. Yes or no? First, cartoon characters. Ask mama or papa to help you. You're just going to tell me 3 cartoon characters which you like a lot. It might be there are so number cartoony characters, na? Yes? So like Chota Bheem, it's a cartoon character. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Yes, children? The same way you're going to tell me the cartoon characters. Any 3 which you like. Got it? Yes? That's good. So, now, which letter we saw today? It's small c. How will say small c? Yes? Small c. So, when we write in our notebook, we will write like this. Okay? Ready? That's good. See? This is how small c will be there. Okay, children? You all saw? It should be in between the blue line. In between the... Okay, I'll keep it like this. Okay? In between the blue lines. What is it? Small c. Nod your head. You will never forget that. Dance it. Yes. C. Got it? So you will not forget now. Okay. And now we are going to write in the notebook pattern. I'll show you how to write. Ready? Yes? Yes or no? That's good. So, yes, children. So, how it will be? In between the blue lines. How it will be? Small c. How? Small c. Tell and write so that you will not forget. Okay? Yes? I'll write it for you once again. Okay? Just see only in between the blue lines. Okay? Small c. Small c. What is this? Small c. Got it? So how it comes, how you dance now, the same way. Correct? Small c. So you are going to write the same way. In between the blue lines. Got it, children? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Yes? Now you remember what are all the other activities you're going to do? 3 activities I told you. Yes, I suppose. Color of your car, a pick with your cup, and 3 cartoon characters. What is it? 3 cartoon characters. Got it, children? That's good. Okay, send this activity to me and I will give you the stars. How much you want? I'll give you that much stars. Okay, bye children. Thank you. See you. Bye.